Thank you so much for joining me today for this testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your experience. Why
Sure.
did you go solar?
Well, the cost of electricity, it's not getting any cheaper. And I was kind of reluctant on, with my age going to solar panels, but when my senior solar sales consultant, Jerry, uh, went through and explained everything and showed that everything was, the benefits of being solar, it was a no-brainer for me. My costs were, basically the same as what my electric bill is for the next 5 years. And the plan that we came up with, they're going to be paid off and be done in 5 years. And, I'll just be paying for a meter charge after that. So, it was great. Made absolute perfect sense to do.
Perfect. So, what was your favorite part about going solar so far?
Uh, it's it's been exciting. I mean, like everything has been a great experience with all the people that I dealt with at GHS. Jerry was the senior solar sales consultant, and I mean, we still keep in contact. She calls just as a fact. I just got off the phone a little while ago with her, and she was just so helpful, and there wasn't any questions that she didn't leave me, hanging that I didn't know. If she didn't know right then, she would go to the people that could tell, you know, exactly, what I was looking for. And I did my homework. I mean, I wasn't an easy customer. Everything that she would tell me, I would take notes. And when we get off the phone, I'd start calling different parties, like, my power company and everything, just to verify that everything that she told me was absolute and on target. And it was. I mean, she never left a single rock unturned. And it really put, myself and my wife at ease, knowing that we'd found the right company, because I talked to many other solar companies, and they're non-responsive. They set up a date and they wouldn't show for, wouldn't be there for the call for the date. And you know just everything was hitting on all cylinders with GHS. And I would recommend them to anybody.
That's
So
perfect.
great.
All right. Well, thank you so much. And I see your lovely panels behind you.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
look great.
absolutely. I tell you what, the guys came out, had a crew of 7 guys counting the owner, and I couldn't believe it. It took them only 5 hours. They got here at 7 o'clock in the morning, and at about 1 o'clock, they were about 12:30. They were done. They were packing up the truck and waiting on the city to come back and give their final approval. So I just very impressed. Very
That's
impressed.
perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time today. I
Well, you bet.
appreciate you answering some of my questions.